Hello Rob, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for this 2010 BMW R1200RT, 49,154 kilometers, and the price right now is 10,478 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully safety certified, comes with a brand new front tire and also rear tires, saddlebags, and very clean. So as answer your question, this motorcycle is available for you. If you want to come down to secure this unit, please let me know, or if you want to do over the phone, please call me. My phone number is 905-660-2901 extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.